Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will always be happy and alive. My name is Awal Fazl. Welcome to New Science 60 channel. In this section, we are with you to learn how to write a simple rat malware in Python. I hope you will use this tutorial as much as possible. Friends who enter the channel for the first time, please subscribe, use and activate the bell to see our interesting and informative videos from now on. Well, let's go to the main topic. To write malware, we first create a Python file. In the coding environment. You can write the name of your file to any name you like. Well, now we have entered the Python file. In this section, we need to box as and application. The OS library is installed by default. To install requests, you must order pip install request. In order not to increase the time of the video, I wrote the code in advance, and here I will just copy and explain to you. Well, now I have copied all the codes of the Python file. Let's explain. Then we call the first and second lines of the operating system and requests. And we define a variable named CPU and in front of the CPU as system, and use the connected CPU module to display the CPU. Then in the next line, a variable called login I define and use the login module. And in the next line, we define a variable named pad and use the pad module. And then in the next line, we define a variable with an arbitrary name and put the previous three variables in this variable. And in this part, we define a variable named token. And we put our robot token in the variable. In the next line, we define a variable named user ID and enter the user ID of our account. And in the next part, when you code the URL like mine in should be exactly like this so that it works. And in the next part, we define tree address, which is the address plus CPU plus equal and equal plus a string in the desired name in the previous lines. And in the next part, we will define a pilot right exactly like this movie, and in the next part of the variable we define the post and like this example we enter the post point parties and the link of the middle site from the requests. We reached the last part where we are printing the post. This was a simple malware, the Armani malware that we will get to in the next tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be subscribed in the next clips by not in the next video.